Plugpac is a theme wrapper for minpac, which makes the syntax look cleaner and neater, similar to the one from vim-plug. If you don't already have minpac installed, you can use the script from GitHub page. The first one is for minpac, and the second one for the Plugpac. Now, if you're using Neovim, you have to make sure you change the directory for Neovim. And you do the same for Plugpac. Having installed both of them, we can start using it inside Neovim. Let's open up the init file. And to install the plugin using Plugpac, all we need to do is place this line, pack, and the repo's name as a string inside the begin and the end function call. And we can save this, and we can call PackInstall to install the plugin, and it will clone the repo into the minpac/start directory. Let's close the Vim and open up again to see if it worked. Now we can see that the color scheme is now group box, and we can use the / to comment out a line and uncomment. Now we can see that it's working. And let's try to compare the syntax between Plugpac and minpac. Now for minpac, we have to write call minpac, #add, and the name of the repo. So by using Plugpac, we can only need to write the pack and the name of the repo. So we can save us the writing of the parentheses and also the name of the function call, which includes hashtag, which is a little bit more annoying. And you also have to remember, if you're using minpac, we have to add minpac package manually. The Plugpac does that for you inside the script. So all in all, Plugpac makes the things a little bit more simpler and a little bit more pleasing to use.